How to change username in Snapchat before 1-year deadline. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once in Snapchat, click on your profile on the top left. Once you are here, click on the gear icon, which is settings. And then in here, you can now go ahead and try to change your username. But it says here, your username can only be changed once a year. To fix this, go to settings and then scroll down to the furthermost bottom. Once you are here, the next step is to look for support and then click on I need help. In here, wait for the application to finish fully loading. If the application fails to load, all you have to do this time is to tap on it once again. It's a matter of trial and error. For now, let's open our internet browser. And then in here, we are going to be going to support.snapchat.com. Go ahead, take your time in typing. Once the results are out, click on the first link that says help.snapchat.com. And in here, wait for the website to finish loading. In here, you'll be redirected to help.snapchat.com. First, you're going to click on Submit a Request. Then, the next part is you're going to wait for the website to finish loading once again. Once you're here already, wait for the website and go and tap on Profiles and Communities. In here, you'll wait for reloading on the website once again to get things fully started. For now, over at Submit a Request, you will need to input your details. So let's start with, what are you having trouble with? Let's start with your profile. And then, this time, input your username, your email, and your mobile number. Go ahead, take your time in inputting the details. I'll be here waiting. Don't worry. Again, you will be asked a lot of questions, but don't worry. Go ahead, take your time. Now, the next step is to fill in the description box as to what really happened to your account. In here, you can follow my statements or you could also compose your very own. All up to you actually. In this part, you will need to verify your existence as a human and not as a robot. Now take your time in verifying. And then click on Submit. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.